everyone, and welcome to the best years of your life. I would like to welcome all of you to the LifePharm Global Network training call for corporate. My name is Sonia Olivas, and I'm your LifePharm Global Network Premier Services Manager. Did you know the subjects today on our calls are from directly IBOs from LifePharm Global? Well, they are. And I'll tell you how to submit questions or maybe topics for discussion at the end of this call today, or you can send them. Today's topic is product knowledge training from a great leader for LifePharm Global Network from Puerto Rico. Very excited to have Dr. Jose Toro to hear all his great information he has for us today on this call. Welcome, Dr. Toro. Thank you for being on our call today.
Thank you, Sonia. I'm glad to be on this LPGN corporate training call today. I'm very excited to be here, and thank you very much for this opportunity. Well, first of all, I have to say before we start this that an FDA disclaimer that the use of this product, in this case Laminine, is not intended to treat, cure, or prevent any disease. And you have to remember that if you are under medical treatment, do not stop it before taking Laminine. My name is Dr. Jose M. Toro. I am a certified and licensed physician to practice medicine in the island of Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory. I have been practicing medicine, conventional and allopathic, as some may say, for more than 12 years. So technically, I'm a very young physician. I have been serving medical director of an emergency room for 3 years in the northern side area of Puerto Rico, and I've been having for more than 10 years a private practice in the northern side of Puerto Rico. So I've had a very successful practice here, and I'm very happy for it. But even though I am an allopathic medical doctor, I have always been looking for natural and safer alternatives to my patients' health conditions. And I want to be honest, as a physician, I sometimes felt frustrated because there were some patients with some health conditions I couldn't do anything about. I just prescribed medications and wait until I was introduced to Laminine. Laminine, I tell you, has been a blessing for my practice, has been a blessing for me, and I just want to share some facts about this incredible product. As most of us know, Laminine is not a medication. It's not a remedy or such. It is a superfood, a natural supplement that contains vitamins, minerals, essential amino acids. When I say essential amino acids, are amino acids that our body cannot produce, and we have to take it from an outside source. And as I call it our silver bullet, the fibroblast growth factor. All of the ingredients that Laminine has caught my attention, but the fibroblast growth factor was the one ingredient that blew my mind. The interesting about the fibroblast growth factor is that, number one, fibroblast growth factors are homeostatic factors, factors that create balance in our body and function in tissue repair. One interesting thing about fibroblast growth factors, I'm going to say FGF, in my case as a doctor, interesting for me, is that it has subsets of different fibroblast growth factors. It divides into many FGFs, or fibroblast growth factors. The FGFs work upon a cell in our bodies called fibroblast, which is a basic building block of tissues found in brain, nervous tissue, eyes, blood vessels, heart, stomach, skin, liver, kidney, muscles, and bones. So FGFs, or fibroblast growth factors, help protect and regenerate all of these organs. This is incredible. When you take Laminine, the FGFs contained in it can help tremendously all of our body organs. And listen to this is very nice and very important. One of the subsets of the fibroblast growth factor is very important for neuron signal transduction in the central and peripheral nervous system. In other words, the fibroblast growth factors connect neurons around our body. It's like switching the light switches on in all our bodies so we can connect and repair all the things that we have in our body. This is just great. Another subset of these fibroblast growth factors help regenerate and create new blood vessels at the heart level. So it may increase circulation in and around the heart. Due to all of these factors, FGF, or fibroblast growth factors, has very potent anti-aging effect on the human body. I tell you, this product is an amazing one. Due to all of these facts, all these great facts about fibroblast growth factors, which I call the silver bullet in the product, is that many people come to me with different testimonials, with different stories, very happy because their life has changed. What I did is I bought some product. I bought 10 boxes of Laminine. I took 5 of my worst patients, patients that had very bad health conditions. I took them to my office. I gave them a small presentation about the product, what it could do for them, and how to take it. To my surprise, after 10 to 15 days of the patients taking the product, they started coming back to me. They started calling, asking for more product. One of them called me back and said, "Doctor, I need more of that product." I say, "Why? How are you feeling?" And she said, "For the first time in years, I'm sleeping better. I'm sleeping all night. For about 15 years, she couldn't sleep 4 hours straight, and now she's sleeping 8 hours straight." I was blown away by that because I know her. She's one of my patients. Another one of my patients, he used to have so many body aches and pains due to osteoarthritis. He used a lot of pain medications. After only 10 days of using Laminine, he came back to me asking for more because all of his pains were gone, and he was working on the farm. I was blown away by that. When I heard all those stories, just trying out the product with my patients, I said, I have to try it myself, and I had to try it with my dad, and I had to, give this product to everyone I know because this is something very, very, very special. Well, I gave Laminine to my dad. My dad has diabetes. He has a very, very bad kidney problems, and when I started giving Laminine to him, about 1 week after taking Laminine, and he called to me and he said, "Jose, I feel kind of weak. I don't know what's going on." I told my mom, "Hey, take his blood pressure." So she took his blood pressure, and it was low. So I told her, take out one of the medicines for blood pressure. She did. She took one medicine of the blood pressure medicine. She took it out. By the next week, she said, I'm feeling better, but I think I need, I feel weak, a little bit weak, but I feel okay, but I feel a little bit weak still. So I said, take his blood pressure. His blood pressure was better, but it was still down. So I had to take 2 pills from the 3 pills that he takes for blood pressure. And now my dad, from 3 blood pressure pills, he's just taking 1, and he's feeling great. The swelling of his legs, it went away. He's feeling more energetic. His kidney function is improving. So I'm very happy with, what Laminine has done with my dad. I have many testimonials from my office, and I tell you what, this business, for the people that are listening right now, this business for me, in my opinion, is driven by the testimonials, by the usage of this product, the right usage of this product. I have an Alzheimer's disease patient. Her daughter came to my office looking for an answer, and I gave her Laminine. Her mother has Alzheimer's disease for about 5 years, and for 2 years back, she wasn't able to recognize her. She didn't know who she was. So after her daughter called me back to my office and said, "Doctor," she was in tears. For the first time in 2 years, my mother called me by my name and also called my brother by his name. I'm very excited. I can't believe it. I don't know what to do. She was so happy, and I'm more happy than her because there's another person that we can help. Yeah, and you know what? What I said at the beginning of this conference about that Laminine helps regenerate and helps reconnect neurons, that's why I believe that these people are getting so much help because it's regenerating, it's repairing all the nervous tissue that is damaged in these people. I have a 70-year-old patient. He's an Army retired officer who used to come to my office with aches and pains due to arthritis. He couldn't sleep due to the pains, and the meds were helping just a bit. After the pains were completely gone, he became an IBO for LifePharm. Another 45-year-old female with fibromyalgia. I'm stating here some very, bad cases, some very hard cases, because these are the testimonials that I driving the product right here in Puerto Rico, because this is great. She has fibromyalgia. She went to specialists, several naturopathic doctors, acupuncture with no results. She was depressed, and after the pains were completely gone, she feels so good right now that she's walking at a local track. She became an IBO also because of these incredible results. We have another Alzheimer's patient who was bedridden, wasn't able to bathe, wasn't able to feed himself, and after now he can stand up, he can walk, he can feed himself. I tell you, we have many, many, many testimonials of people having to stop or reduce medications for diabetes, high blood pressure, pain medications. They come every week, and people are getting excited about this incredible product. And I want to say one last testimonial. So I have a 42-year-old male. He's otherwise healthy patient. He has a problem for 3 years with fatty liver. Fatty liver is a condition where you get fat inside the cells of the liver, and your liver gets kind of big. And he had that problem for 3 years. It has been bothering him, and we have been monitoring him with sonograms every 6 months. And every time the same comes, even though he has a good diet, he does exercise, he doesn't go down. And I gave him Laminine. He tried Laminine for 2 months. We tried a CT scan that is more, you can see better than a regular sonogram. When the CT scan came back, the fatty liver was gone. He was so excited and so happy that he became an IBO for LifePharm Global. I tell you, all this has led to more than 190 new IBOs in Puerto Rico during the last 3 months. I have been working this business for the last 3 months, and we have been seeing an incredible growth in Puerto Rico. We are just working right now in the northern side of the island. We are having 3 meetings every week on the north side of Puerto Rico. Between those meetings, we do house meetings, and also we give trainings once a month. We introduce the product and the business. We share the testimonials. And as I said, on the non-meeting days, we share the information as a one-by-one basis and do some home meetings. We perform training once a month. It has been an incredible ride with LifePharm these 3 months. I never thought about doing a business promoting an incredible product like this. This came to my life in a special time. This came to my life in a time of need for everybody. We have been changing people's lives here in Puerto Rico due to this product and the business opportunity. I want to tell you that here in Puerto Rico, we are eager to help LPGN to grow, and we want to see people growing, helping each other. We want to help them. If in the United States or anywhere you have people in Puerto Rico that you want to talk to, we want to help you. We are here to help. In the next months, we will be opening different meetings on the western side, on the south side of Puerto Rico, just to take the whole island. This is going to be an explosion because of the great testimonials that we are having from this incredible product. Sonia, I just want to thank you very much for this opportunity. If we have another opportunity to share many other things, I'll be able to help you. We're so happy and so excited to be here. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much, Dr. Toro. A special thanks to you, too. We really appreciate you joining us, all the great work you guys are doing in Puerto Rico. We love recognizing you guys, and keep up the great work, and, we're here for you for anything. Dr. Toro gave us such great informative information today, not just on Laminine and the benefits, but I truly love the testimonials from his patients. So remarkable how Laminine helps so many people. And I know that's why all of us are here for LifePharm Global, because this is our number one goal, is to help people. And that's what Laminine does. So that is just amazing. I really, really, truly love that. Thank you so much, Dr. Toro. and all the great work you guys are doing in Puerto Rico and how fast you guys are growing. That's just exciting. I'm so excited for that. I want to also remind everyone to hurry and register for the LifeVention for the $129 early bird registration price. This ends on August 31st, so you can go ahead and register at the LifeVention.com link there, and we have all the event information from hotel to the incentive to agenda, registration information. You can also see the link in your virtual office on your home page as well. I want to go ahead and thank all of our LifePharm Global family for tuning into this call today. You know, if you have a topic just at the beginning of this that you would like more information on or you would like to hear in our corporate calls, please email me at suggestions@lifefarmglobal.com. Thank you so much, everyone. You guys have a great night. Dr. Toro, thank you so much. It was a great call, and good night, everyone.